Well, it's that time. Got my wallet. Got my keys. Better grab my low budget cold medicine. Let's go work. That is trippy looking. Oh my gosh. That's not snow, folks. That is not snow at all. That is not snow. That is super duper, super foggy out. That is moisture you see flying by. I got the light. The light on. Alright, we got to go. No more shenanigans. I gotta go to work. I always make sure before I leave the old VW bus is unplugged. Important thing to do, folks. Unplug your VW bus from electricity while away. It's all good. It's just something I've always done. Yes, yes. Well, old VW bus, I'll catch you later, man. Boy, it's dark over there in your neck of the woods. Happy, super happy Friday, frickin' Friday. Hope all is well, swell, and totally hip, hooray and groovy. You know, neck of the woods. On my way to work. It's foggy, crazy morning. Friday morning. Anywho, it's payday. Without further ado, let's just get this most excellent Friday started. Hey, big giant sign. Happy Dappy Friday, brother man. Happy Friday.
Try to do what those ladies tell us. Get shot down because you're overzealous. Play hard to get females, get jealous. Okay, smarty, go to a party. Girls are scantily clad, showing body. A chick walks by, you wish you could sex her, but you
Alrighty, my friends, just got off work, waiting for some Chinese soup and fried rice, and then I'm heading out to the old VW bus. So I'll see you fine folks shortly. Good to see you, old VW bus. It certainly is.